Hi. Uh, Today we are going to talk about, we are going to discuss about the bottlenecks and delays in, production process or your service delivery. So these are roadblocks which can really affect your business growth as well as customer satisfaction and your top line, bottom line in terms of revenue and profit. So don't worry, I have got some practical steps to uh, to streamline this process and improve the overall efficiency. Okay, we'll dive into the topic. Number one, first identify and analyze. This is the first point. See, you need to go through your processes. Unless you identify where is the bottleneck, you will not be able to solve them. So go thoroughly study your processes and then find out where is the bottleneck, and then try to find the root cause of it. Unless you have the root cause, you will not be able to find a proper solution to the problem. So first step is to do that. Number two, once you identify and analyze the root cause, you have to streamline the processes. Streamlining the processes is done in many ways. You have to study all the processes thoroughly and see if there are any non-value adding activities or any delays which is happening in the production process. You need to cut down. So some tasks can be done in parallel. Study all of them and then and study all of them and streamline the processes so that delays can be avoided. Third point, once you streamline the processes, you need to invest in technology. Basically, you have to look at all the processes uh, where there are inefficiencies happening. There may be some repetitive tasks, there may be some manual errors happening. So look at all those areas and employ tools and software or technology available today to automate the repetitive task. Once you do that, you are able to save time as well as avoid manual errors, which otherwise creates a problem in the process. If done manually, there are manual errors which is created by the people who are doing it. Those things can be avoided and the consistency can be improved. Fourth thing is prioritize your task. Not all tasks are considered to be equal priorities. So there are some tasks which are high priority items. Study all of those items, and then look at high impact producing task, and then uh, prioritize them and to avoid delays in critical areas. Some of the other things which can be done in parallel can be put in parallel, basically, so that they do not affect the total production time or service delivery. And finally, continuous improvement. So anything, if you do, if you don't maintain, if you do not improve it continuously, it is going to um, be a stagnant situation where you will not be able to overcome problems. So you have to kind of create a culture of promoting continuous improvement in your organization, and time to time study all the processes and streamline the processes to overcome the challenges in the changing situations due to various reasons. So that's it, guys. These are the points and steps that we have discussed, which will help you to reduce the bottlenecks or delays in your product or service delivery. I We intend to go into deep in this into such topics in the webinar. I hope you won't want to miss them. Click the link below and register for the upcoming webinar. And once again, thank you guys. If you find this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up, share it with your business colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get such topics getting discussed in the coming weeks. Thank you. Shankaran signing off.